What a difference one day makes around here. It's got to be serious if Donnie Lindell's involved. What's going on?
Well, Donnie thought I'd worked on the stove before, so he brought me over a warranty claim.
Oh,
So
good.
I got him fixed.
Okay.
And we got Peter's barn find in here. It's a 1975.
Yeah, it's a Snow 75.
And it's only 4 years younger than that one.
Yeah.
And there's a few dents and whatnot.
Yeah, well, you could take your thumbnail and kind of scrape out some of the rust, right?
Yeah, and it originally come from Lundar.
A Lundar.
Yeah, so they must have had some rough trails on transmission line, eh?
Yeah, so we identified this in the previous video, and yeah, Snow 75. That is Snow 75 AA6220V, motor E264048, and
he wants it looking
like that. Yeah.
Before it goes up.
Okay.
So there's a bit to do, eh?
Yeah, a bit to do.
Shut the compressor one. I'll show you what I've been doing.
Okay. Oh my Lord. I thought yesterday this was all talk when I went out to go to do the video, but clearly not.
Okay. Now I took the liberty to chisel out all the rust.
Yeah.
Because if we don't do a good job
Yeah.
and get this all sanded and fixed properly, it's going to be the biggest cover-up since Watergate.
Yeah. Okay.
So it's going to be done right.
Okay. Well, clearly Dad's been busy all day with a warranty stove job and all this, and so the intent here was neither the current owner of this or Dad wanted to see it go without having done this paint up, touch-up job.
Everything's going to be done.
And so all this has been ground out, so it's ready for the guy to come in and paint. And we'll just keep doing a walk around all the big spots. And
even little places.
yeah, that's got to be done.
It'll be done.
So it's been done in a few spots here you guys have seen, but
I just done a little bit of buffing here, not with a sander, but with a wire brush.
Yep.
To get all the loose shit off.
Mm-hmm.
Because I don't want to see any shit go over to body work over top of rust.
Yeah. So
Elements that
yeah, you want to see it go out the shop the right way, right?
The line they're going to say, well, who did that?
Yeah, exactly. Oh, McLean does shitty work. No, he doesn't. So that's busy, kept Dad busy here. But yeah, let's get back to this barn find here. Are you excited, swearing, crying? Are we going to find you underneath the table eating handfuls of spiders, or what are we going to do?
No, Will. It's doable.
Yeah.
I got to cut all this out.
Yeah, I figured as much.
Front in.
The way this front is set up.
How they manage to bend the shock stand, I don't know. They're supposed to be straight.
It's the previous company's drivers.
Somebody had it after. I don't know.
Okay, but normally Dad has the front access door up higher. He's gonna, if he doesn't cut this out and actually put in a better thing.
I'm gonna take this off.
Yeah, I thought you would. Yeah.
Resheet it.
That's what I thought. Yeah. Then cut the door. Yeah. So while it's open like this, Dad'll end up doing a bunch of the work underneath here, and there's about 3 days worth of vacuuming in there. I can tell right now. But I don't think we're going to salvage too much. I think we're going to try and probably throw a lot of this crap right out.
The idea of this now is we're up in the air.
Yeah.
Take all this off.
Yeah.
Sand it, paint it, and all new bearings and seals. The tires are good.
That tire looks flat, but
No, I mean, no cracks or nothing.
yeah.
good tube in it.
Yeah.
And then check all the bogies and chains and bolts.
Okay.
And that's brass bushing.
Yeah.
So,
That's
or
got to
maybe
come out.
even bearing. Probably bearing.
Yeah.
So
So now that you got in the shop, what's the biggest thing that you think maybe you're not seeing right now? Like, you know that you got the body work and the paint work and the engine and
I
the.
got a good differential.
But what
in it.
is there something here you went? Oh, geez, great.
No. Somebody stole the motor mounts.
Oh no.
So I gotta make them.
Okay. Well.
But that's okay.
Okay. Now we do actually have a 318 Chrysler Industrial that we might be able to slip into this.
Yeah.
So it might be.
Good transmission.
Yeah.
And this kind of shit here.
Got to be cut out.
Cut it out,
Yeah.
Put a new one in.
Yeah.
Straighten this all out.
The good thing is the owner of this machine likes quality, so there's not going to be wondering, oh, do we cut this out? Do we do that? It'll be like we're doing this, and yep, that'll be a greeting. So we've got some spare doors in stock. Might even have to replace these doors with the spares in stock.
For sure. This one's going to be replaced.
Yeah, and we got a spare of
And I
those
got
for
a spare
sure.
One of these.
We do, yeah. I don't know if that's the same size we have.
Size.
Is it?
Exactly.
Okay. So, yeah, obviously the concern is here. This is probably going to have to be cut out and reskin the whole thing. The windows are the best part of the whole deal.
Yeah, they're worth $500 a piece.
At least.
All them out.
Yeah. So,
Inside.
yeah, you got some work there.
Some work.
Dash is original. I'm actually kind of surprised that's good
This
condition.
is an add-on heater.
Yeah, we're gonna rip that one out to get him a brand new one. Because we don't want it coming through the floor like that.
No,
We want it underneath, up and around.
Take all this out.
Yeah.
That heater's good. I'll put this heater up in the back.
What about the diff? You like that one or?
Yeah, it's rebuilt.
Good, perfect, okay.
Brake and everything.
Yeah, on the diff.
Yeah.
Perfect.
But Peter, I thought that stuff ahead of time.
Okay. So yeah, this looks like the next 3-4 months for sure. We can probably tackle side jobs once we get this one out of the shop. But that's the most of the winter right there, guys. So join us for the barn find restoration here. So he's excited. I'm excited for him. What's that?
It only sat for about 6 years.
Yeah.
So all the body putty is loose, eh?
Yeah, so you can take that off easily. And of course, Donnie's going to supervise the whole time. So are the dogs. And we're going to have a great time here.